another woman that can take your spotlight.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I am about to make some breakfast. I think I'm going to do some French toast, scrambled eggs, and some sausage. Hope everybody's doing well. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining my little community I'm building. I put up a video every week on Sunday at 12, and I do shorts of my outfits of the week. So let's get into this. some cheesy eggs that I did salt, pepper, garlic, some maple sausage that I added some hot honey to, and then potato bread, French toast with a little bit of blueberry cobbler syrup and vanilla. What kind of shrimp are these again?
Jumbo.
Jumbo shrimp with gluten-free spaghetti and garlic and butter.
Oops.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. I feel like I haven't shown my face on here in a couple of days, but Friday was 4th of July. And you saw we went to see some fireworks and stuff like that. Yesterday was pretty low-key, just made a quick dinner, but my light wasn't charged, so I just figured I'd skip it, but I did show you the final results. And also was testing a little bit of a recipe, and it actually came out really good. So I'm actually going to show you guys that recipe in another vlog. And then today, it's just a long weekend, so we're just taking opportunity to just relax, watch movies, and chill. So we just ordered some Chili's. Me and Jada are having a little movie day. So let me show you. Triple dippers. This is the honey chipotle. I believe this is the new hot honey one. And then the hot honey mozzarella. I got the same mozzarella, some big mouth bites, and these are the hot honey tenders, I think. Yeah, so we're going to eat that. And we're currently finishing up a movie called Hush, which is really good. I believe it's still on Netflix. If not, it's on Shudder. Really good. Hey guys, happy Monday. It's going to rain. I took today off. It's the Monday after 4th of July. I'm about to grab some Dunkin' for us, and then I'm going to prep my breakfast and my lunch for work. So I'm going to show you how I do that for the week. And yeah, and then I'll probably end the vlog here and start another one for the week. So if everybody had a good weekend. Why am I repeating myself? Anyway, hope you had a good weekend. And let's get into it. Got this cool crochet rose flower hearts. So nice. And then my other flowers are still going really strong. Okay. So I have my lunch for tomorrow, Wednesday. Is the shrimp linguine. I also have 2 granola and yogurt breakfasts. So I have some protein yogurt. This one's vanilla. I have some frozen blueberries and honey and oat granola, which also has protein in it. Same thing here, except for this one is strawberry yogurt. And then I also have, and those will be my breakfasts for 2 days. And then for a snack, I always have fruit. So I have 3 of them. So I have kiwi, the yellow kiwi, some watermelon, and some yellow honeydew. And now I'm going to make 2 more breakfasts. Probably one with bacon, one with sausage, with some eggs, and like mini hash browns. And then I'm going to put it in this to bring with me for breakfast. I can't find the other one, so I'll just swap them out when I need it. And then I'll just have to make another one of these for Friday, but that's fine. So this is pretty much what my meal prep looks like. And then, you know, just recycle as you go. and it just makes it a little bit easier. So let's make the remainder of my breakfast. Also forgot to mention I have these, the Nature Valley protein bars, and they're peanut butter and dark chocolate, and they, I believe, have 10 grams of protein in them. Yeah, 10 grams of protein, and they're pretty good, just in case I need like a little snack and I don't want to get one of like the office chips or something, and at least it's a little bit healthy. So I have that, and then my little lunch bag. So got my shrimp scampi, my fruit, my little thingy, and then I'm probably gonna have my parfait bowl for tomorrow, since you know it's a holiday weekend, you don't exactly eat well. So this will be my lunch. So these are the hash browns I'm using. I believe they're from McCain's, and 4 of them are 150 calories. So I'm going to make 2 breakfasts. So I'm going to have that, and I'm just going to put it in the air fryer for like 3 minutes. For bacon, I'm using Smithfield center cut bacon. I believe 2 slices are 70 calories and 6 grams of protein. I'm also going to be doing the Johnsonville maple sausage, and 3 of these are 160. So I'm probably going to do about 2, and then 10 grams of protein. So break it down however you like. I'm probably going to do like 2 of each with the eggs. So this is my finished product. So I have my hash browns here, the bacon, sausage, and then underneath I have the eggs. So I'm just gonna let this cool down, then I'll put it in the fridge. And then when I'm going to use it for my breakfast this week, I'll probably alternate either yogurt bowl and then this, and then yogurt bowl and this again. So I'll put it in a Tupperware. But that's pretty much what I do for my breakfast and my lunch. And then also I'll alternate for dinner. If I make 2 meals on Sunday, or I'll make something super fast when I come home. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in seeing like my meal prep and stuff. That's the end of this little video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.
No woman that can take your spotlight.